Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. I generally talk about food here, and this week I happened to be food prepping on a Sunday, and I thought, ooh, I should probably film this and share with you what I make ahead of time so I don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen making a new meal every single night. So this is what we have going on for this week. This will last us 5 days. So right now I have 3 pounds of turkey burger browning up, and this will be used for taco-like items. We have tacos. Friday night, we might have like a nacho type of night, but we do a lot of taco salads with lots of spinach and lettuce. So that is being prepped right now. I have a chicken soup going right here. This is my easy chicken soup. I could film a whole other video with you about that quote recipe or how I cook that. But this chicken right here that you see is one of those smaller rotisserie chickens, and I will let this simmer for a good 4 hours with some basil and thyme and some other seasonings, and that will be ready to go for tonight. Last night I made a really big batch of chili. It doesn't look like a lot in this container, but I do have 3 different types of beans, some turkey burger, lots of seasonings, and so that was put together, and that has been a hit this week. The temperature is going to be dropping this week, so we have some more like hot meals going on for the week coming up. And then lastly, this is not necessarily for dinner, but these happen to be some snacks and basically my go-to for breakfast. So these are the Kodiak cakes that I make, and I use the chocolate chip and I think it's dark chocolate or the chocolate. I ended up putting in a little bit more water into this mix. I just add water. I know a lot of people ask questions about that, but I just add water, and I made 2 dozen each. So, whoa, yes, 2 dozen each. So that's a lot of muffins. And my husband said, should we freeze some? I said, nope, we're gonna go through them. It'll take about maybe 8 days, but we will get through those. The whole family eats them. They are a great source of protein as well. So anyway, I'm going to start stirring this up a little bit more as this is browning, and pretty much this is how this week will look like for our meals, and I thought I would just share that with you. Let me know how you prep, or what your favorite types of foods there are to prep ahead of time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great week. Take care.